Namaste, I'm Prakriti Chatot from Nepal. I'm a forestry graduate currently working for Hands for Conservation, a non governmental organization dedicated to wildlife conservation, habitat management and restoration, and human wildlife coexistence. Through this restoration stewardship program, we aim to bring our dying rangeland back to life in order to conserve the globally vulnerable snow leopards. Snow leopards are the jewels of Upper Mustang, yet they are also the primary cause for mass livestock depredation, which is critical, especially for this animal husbandry dominated region. One of the major reasons for this mass killing is the lack of wild prey resources, and that is all thanks to the scarcity of palatable vegetation for those preys. Therefore, through this restoration program, we aim to increase the palatable vegetation in the rangelands so that the number of prey base also increases. Snow leopards can only thrive in the regions where there is abundance of prey for them to feed on. And of course, this will also help in human wildlife coexistence. Thank you.